Hi, I have in front of me here a 500 megabit Homeplug set. There's some interesting features on this that makes it a really fantastic product. The first thing you'll note here is that you have the plug-through facility on it. So if you have a single plug that's already been used, you can plug this in and plug whatever was there originally back in here. So that's extremely handy. These units here have a sender and a receiver setting. So if we see here, anyway, this will be on sender. So we'll take the feed here directly, we'll say, off our switch or our router. We plug it down and we'll say, we're obviously sending the signal down through the electrical lines. And on the far end, when we plug it out here, once again, we have the plug-through feature here, but if we look in the bottom here, we actually have 3 outputs here. So this is acting as a 3-way switch as well. Okay, so an integrated switch on it. And that actually makes this just a really cool product, because there's a lot of extra features there that people would often look for, and it saves you having to have multiple products in terms of having to go off and get extra adapters, having to run this into a router afterwards, or a switch on the far end where you have a mini switch built in here. So what exactly comes in the box? Well, this is the outer box that comes in here. So it comes with a mini CD, which you probably won't need, user manual, which once again it's so easy to use, you probably won't need. We have the leads here, the 1.2 meter Ethernet leads, and then we have the main events here, which are the home plugs I'm after showing here. In terms of the overall usability of these, for plugging these up, having them up and running, probably take about 60 seconds. It's really straightforward. The other thing is that increasingly we're finding that with Edimax or Tenda or TP-Link, all the rest of it, there's increasing levels of interchangeability on it. So we've tested this with TP-Link products, all the rest of it, in terms of an overall an additional extension unit we could use somewhere else, and it'll work directly off this setup anyway. So that's an overview of the 500 meg home plugs with Plugthrough and also an integrated 3-way switch.